Hello, guys, welcome back with the second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, July the 9th, 2022. Yes, I've already solved one puzzle. This one is a hard one. Yes, hard one. 4 stars I will give. I will do today the 4 stars and the binary. Tomorrow the other 3 puzzles. Alright, Sudoku with 4 stars. Number 4827. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Well, the previous Sudoku, we have 25 printed digits. I need more than 30 minutes, so I hope I will beat the time of my previous Sudoku. Okay, let me scan the puzzle. We have 2 1s, we have 2 2s, we have 1 2 3 3s, we have 3 4s, we have 2 5s, 2 6s, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 3 9s. So, we have 4 4s. So the 4s are a majority. Let me see if I can start with the 4. Well, I cannot start with the 4. Interesting. Okay. Let's get started. I see here 1 in this column. Wait. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. A 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 6 6 6 6 6 6 6. Cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. Okay, then 1 1. Yes, 1 2 3 4. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2 in this column. The 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this big square, so no 1 and 2 in this box. We have a 1 in this big square, so here cannot be a 1. We have a 2 in this row, so the 2 cannot be there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So what are the other 2 numbers left in the last column? Those missing numbers are the 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. Well, we have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 7. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers: 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9 9. Yeah. 8 8 8 8 8 6 6 7 7. Yeah, we have a pair again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. 7 and 8, we have a 7 and 8 in this row, so no 7 and 8 in these three boxes. We have a 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 8 in those three boxes. So the 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. So what are the other two numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3. It goes there. And we have a pair. 1 and a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row. 1 and a 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places left for the 1 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. Let me mark those two boxes. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. So what are the three missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. Well, let me mark those. 3, 5, 6. Okay. 5, 6. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the set column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 5 and the 6 are left in the second column. 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6 are missing. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Yeah, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So two numbers left, the 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 3, 3. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 6, 8, and the 9 are left. Three missing numbers in this big square. The 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. We have 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 is missing. We have a 9 in the last row. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. That means we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 4. Two numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, the 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 7 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. Sorry. We have a 7 in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 7, 7, 7. 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay. 3 and a 9. Yes. 9 in this row. Wait. 3 and a 9 in the first row. 3, the 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only two places left for the 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Okay. Alright. Come on. 4, 8, 2, 1, 2. Look. 4 missing numbers in this row. The 1, the 2, the 4 and the 8. So 1. So we need a pair, 4 and 8, and a 1 and a 2. 4 and 8 and 1 and a 2. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in this column. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes. Here we have a pair. There we have a pair. So here should be the 4 and the 8. 4 and the 8. 4 and 8. Okay. But it's not helping me. It's not helping me. Oh, 1 and a 2. We already have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be 2. And that box should be a 1. 1 box left in the last column for number 2. 2, 2. 4 and 8. 3 and 9. Okay, 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 2, 2. So now 4, 8, and the 7 should be there. 7. Yeah, 7. That means we need a 7 in those two boxes in this column. Yeah, 3, 9. Ah, we have a pair, 3, 9. Here we have a 3, 9. So the other pair should be the 7 and the 3, 9. 7 and a 2 are missing. So this box should be 7 and a 2. Should be also 7 here. Okay. 3, 3. 4, 4. Need a 4. 2, 2, 2. Yeah, we have those two boxes should be a 2. Because we have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 and there 2. So those 2 boxes should be a 2. 2, 2, 2. Okay, 7, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 2, and 3. 9. 8. 8 should be here. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes here, and 8 in this column. So no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 6. 9 and the 6. We have a 9 in the last row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first column. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6. Yeah, we have all the 6s and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row. No 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 4 and 8 then. 4 and 8. Okay, how about the 5, 5, 5? 5, we need a 7 in one of these 3 boxes. We need a 7 here. And I've marked those 2 boxes with a 7. So this box can't be 7 anymore because we need a 7 in one of these 3 boxes. So this box should be a 7. And yeah. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. This box should be an 8. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. I think this box should be an 8. 3 missing numbers. Here we have 3 and a 9. One of the missing number is an 8. Well, we have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. Do we have all the 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, 1 and 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5. This box should be a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1 and 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing, 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Cannot believe this. Quicker than the previous Sudoku, yeah, twice as fast than the previous Sudoku. 70 minutes. Is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Well, you see, although it has 24 printed digits, 1 digit less, but I'm faster than the previous Sudoku. So you cannot always say a Sudoku with less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle on Saturday, binary, and tomorrow the rest of the 3 puzzles. Okay, the binary I will do. So see you later. Bye bye for now.